Hello Leia users, and welcome to the video tutorial that we will use to teach you how to edit the various components of your team section. So if you scroll down the page and you go to our team, you'll see that Leia gave us a title and a paragraph for our team, as well as a few different, fake people, fake beautiful people, with a title and a name and a little description about them for our team members. So obviously in your website, you'll want to replace these photos, titles, names, and descriptions with the people from your actual team. But they're good placeholders just to show you how things would look when you get that done. So Leia here gave us a default number of 4 team members. If we want to change the number of team members, we can use this plus and minus button right here. And if we want to redesign the team section, we can again use this little redo, undo button on the left-hand side of the page. However, just like in all the other sections, if we want to do a redesign while we're on mobile, the best way to do it is to tap this toolbox icon and then go up to our desktop view. So now we can see the entirety of the team section. So when we add and remove members and when we do redesigns, we can see all the changes at once without having to scroll. So let's first do a redesign just to get a different picture. So I'm not a huge fan of them stacking up and down like that. If you have fewer team members, this might be perfect for you, but let's do another redesign. All right, not too bad. Let's use this one as an example. So let's say we had 2 team members and we wanted to get rid of the bottom 2. The way we do that is we tap this minus button right here. All right, and as you can see, the bottom right-hand corner team member just went away. And if we tap this one again, we lost that other one. So now we have 2 team members. As with any other element on our page, we can tap on them and then use this edit element and all the buttons inside of it to adjust the photo, replace it with one of our own, things like that. However, as always, it's best to use the desktop view just to get the section structured in the way that we want, and then we want to go back to mobile view when we want to edit the actual elements of our team section, just because it's a little easier when you're up close and personal like this. But that's all we wanted to really talk about with the team section. As always, you can use this other buttons right here to adjust the background of the section. You can use this delete button to delete this section if you didn't want to include your team. And you can use this button on the right there, that code button, if you knew HTML and upgraded your site to Leia Pro, to edit the code of the page. So thanks for watching. If you have any other questions, you can reach out to us at heyleia.com/contact and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you.